Tagalog words for weights and measurements. Dosena. Dosena. Meaning dozen. Dozen. Naglaga ako ng isang dosenang itlog. Naglaga ako ng isang dosenang itlog. I boiled a dozen eggs. I boiled a dozen eggs. Kalahating dosena. Kalahating dosena. The word kalahati means half, so kalahating dosena means half dozen or half a dozen. Kaya niyang umubos ng kalahating dosenang donuts ng isang kainan. Kaya niyang umubos ng kalahating dosenang donuts ng isang kainan. He can go through a half dozen donuts in one sitting. She can go through a half dozen donuts in one sitting. Kilo. Kilo. Meaning kilogram. Gumaan ako ng 5 kilo. Gumaan ako ng 5 kilo. I lost 5 kilograms. I lost 5 kilograms. Literal translation, I became lighter by 5 kilograms. Gramo. Gramo. Gram. Magkano ngayon ang isang gramong ginto? Magkano ngayon ang isang gramong ginto? How much is a gram of gold worth today? How much is a gram of gold worth today? Litro. Litro. Meaning liter. Bumili ka nga ng 1 litrong mantika. Bumili ka nga ng 1 litrong mantika. Go buy a liter of oil. Go buy a liter of oil. Kahon. Kahon. Box. Pinadalhan niya ako ng 2 kahong tsokolate. Pinadalhan niya ako ng 2 kahong tsokolate. He sent me 2 boxes of chocolate. He sent me 2 boxes of chocolate. Karton. Karton. Carton. 10 kartong libro ang dumating kahapon. 10 kartong libro ang dumating kahapon. 10 cartons of books arrived yesterday. 10 cartons of books arrived yesterday. Lata. Lata. Can. Nagbukas siya ng 1 latang tuna. Nagbukas siya ng 1 latang tuna. He opened a can of tuna. He opened a can of tuna. Kutsara. Kutsara. Spoon. Kumain siya ng 1 kutsarang peanut butter. Kumain siya ng 1 kutsarang peanut butter. She ate a spoonful of peanut butter. She ate a spoonful of peanut butter. kutsarita, kutsarita, teaspoon. Naglagay siya ng isang kutsaritang asukal sa kape niya. Naglagay siya ng isang kutsaritang asukal sa kape niya. She put a teaspoon of sugar in her coffee. She put a teaspoon of sugar in her coffee. Hektarya, hektarya, hectare. Magkano ang isang hektaryang lupa sa Pilipinas? Magkano ang isang hektaryang lupa sa Pilipinas? How much does a hectare of land cost in the Philippines? How much does a hectare of land cost in the Philippines? Pulgada, pulgada, inch. Iniklian niya ng 1 pulgada ang palda. Iniklian niya ng 1 pulgada ang palda. She shortened the skirt by an inch. She shortened the skirt by an inch. Talampakan, talampakan. 6 na talampakan ang taas ni Henry. 6 na talampakan ang taas ni Henry. Henry's height is 6 feet. Or, Henry is 6 foot tall. Sentimetro, sentimetro, centimeter. Mas matangkad ka sa akin ng 4 na sentimetro. Mas matangkad ka sa akin ng 4 na sentimetro. You are 4 centimeters taller than me. You're 4 centimeters taller than me. Metro, metro, meter. Mahigit 2,000 at 900 metro ang taas ng Bundok Apo. Mahigit 2,000 at 900 metro ang taas ng Bundok Apo. Mount Apo is over 2,900 meters high. Mount Apo is over 2,900 meters high. Bahagdan, bahagdan, percent. Bahagdan is a native Tagalog word, so this is seldom used in conversations. Ilang bahagdan ng 10 ang 2? Ilang bahagdan ng 10 ang 2? What percent of 10 is 2? What percent of 10 is 2? Porsyento, porsyento. This word also means percent and this is more commonly used than bahagdan. Porsyento. 50% ang tubo niya sa stocks. 50% ang tubo niya sa stocks. She had a 50% profit in stocks. She had a 50% profit in stocks. Kaha, kaha, pack. Kaha is usually used for cigarettes. May 20 sigarilyo sa isang kaha. May 20 sigarilyo sa isang kaha. There are 20 cigarettes in a pack. There are 20 cigarettes in a pack. Tonelada, tonelada, ton. 200 tonelada ang bigat ng isang balyena. 200 tonelada ang bigat ng isang balyena. A whale weighs 200 tons. A whale weighs 200 tons. Kilometro. Kilometro. Kilometer. Ang pating ay kayang umamoy ng dugo sa layong kalahating kilometro. Ang pating ay kayang umamoy ng dugo sa layong kalahating kilometro. A shark can smell blood at a distance of half a kilometer. A shark can smell blood at a distance of half a kilometer. Here are other Tagalog words for weights and measurements. Milya. Milya, meaning mile. Milimetro. Milimetro. Millimeter. Dipa. Dipa. This is a native Tagalog word meaning arm span. Dipa. Yarda. Yarda, meaning a yard. Yarda is usually used to measure fabrics. Dangkal. Dangkal is also a native Tagalog word meaning a span. It is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger.